We have a ton of fascinating topics to discuss in this video. Regarding the marketplaces Mataco and Ripple, I'm going to examine the price chart for XRP. We're going to try and locate XRP. I'm going because, let's face it, we're going to review the story because I'm sick and tired of hearing it in the wild, and it's so far behind schedule. XRP will never be able to read or reach a. Let's discuss the fact that the dollar XRP will never hit its all-time high. I'll give you my thoughts, perspective, and a little bit of personal insight. We can now determine the direction of this endeavor with the updated prediction, so without further ado, let's get right in. You love to see the $2 trillion market valuation for cryptocurrencies. As of right now, Bitcoin has dropped 1% over the last 24 hours. Arriving at $51,944 for Ether, it is up 4.11% as of now. At 2,948 USDT and USDC, both closing at their dollar pegs, while XRP is nearly up 1% to close at 56 cents. Keep in mind the important figures. The primary focus areas for XRP 58 and between 61 and 62. After clearing those stages, there will be a brief push up to 75 cents, after which it will break and we will be in the 90 degrees Celsius range. We'll soon reach XRP's first significant and pivotal stop, around roughly $150 give or take, and that's where I predict we'll see some sideways movement and action. This is picking up speed now. It appears that money is shifting from Bitcoin to Ethereum, possibly merely for a little alt run. Before Bitcoin becomes completely parabolic when we receive the monthly close next week, we might take a step back and reassess, but for the time being, markets appear to be great. Marketplaces appear to be incredibly amazing. UTUC is the place we wish to see healthy people. The market cap of Bitcoin is over $1 trillion. ETFs are letting go of the Bitcoin network because it is unable to produce enough Bitcoin to meet the quantity of supply that is pouring in, which is okay. Let's see how much demand there is. There simply isn't enough supply of Bitcoin to go around, so you can imagine what transpires. We now have a supply shock problem if you are not involved in my endeavor. The largest project on the XRP ledger, join now as the March 1st paycheck is approaching. That's correct. All XRP and NFT holders of Blue Lions will receive XRP returned into their wallets on the 1st of each month for as long as the project is ongoing, and we're in better health than ever. That's what I'll tell you. The amount required to obtain an NFT is XRP. If you would prefer not to pay XRP, that is acceptable. You can use a credit or debit card instead. Please let me know what wallet you use so I can send you the NFT. Right now, I have more than 40 orders. Following my evening meal with my girlfriend, I will proceed with the aforementioned tasks, and we will ultimately complete them. To you, and the brand will be known to all. The most recent tier is the NFT's 80s mob, who are going to be sitting on the side now if they sell out. What I'm referring to is this 3 for 3. As long as we maintain our position above that total cryptocurrency, we will wait for the monthly closing, which we are calling Bitcoin 485. Market value is more than $2 trillion. As we proceeded, the MC Assault exposed a mystery smart wallet called Musk. Yes, Musk, just as Elon Musk has been connected to changes in the price of XRP. Before the cryptocurrency's previous all-time high in 2017, a wallet moved XRP, sparking suspicion about a potential move similar to the one that took place here in 2017 when XRP surged to $280. $380 in South Korea and $380 in the US, which many like to ask, is this an all-time high? This wallet has been observed to transfer funds over XRP, thus, that's what they're doing. This wallet is currently in use. Once more, they are transferring their XRP funds within the wallet, possibly preparing for Elon Musk's wallet is presumably another significant move that many people wish to make. Since it is named Musk, nothing can be named with it, everything has no meaning at all. Anyone can name the wallet. Is a game of rounds enjoyable? You certainly can't be a little speculative about it. However, to be really honest, attempt to persuade people that Elon Musk has XRP. It's simply something. It is really deceiving, so you shouldn't do it. Since I don't spend much time on Twitter, I'm not even sure if the MC attack has had any impact today, but let me just clarify that we aim to give individuals accurate information without deceiving them, and we also want them to conduct independent research wherever possible. Anders, please share this. The Mataco that Ripple currently owns is the same. I see more than simply custody and tokenization, he argues. This makes me think that Ripple controls additional banking infrastructure. For elite banks, Mataco is the norm. Greater than half of the global, but that also includes more than half of the biggest global custodial banks. Mataco Harmonized has been selected by numerous regional universal banks and corporations as the primary platform for both present and future digital asset activities. This is why Ripple stated unequivocally that plans are present. Plans we have more ambitious ambitions, so I should take a seat back and watch this. Things change, and now that standard custody has been acquired, you have to ask yourself how all of this will interact and play out legitimately. Crypto released his chart, which he discussed. XRP, he stated this in my most recent video update on XRP, not too long ago. I expressed my lack of interest in XRP until it turned into Bitcoin. Pairing advanced toward the 30% lower goal, but we had to move to the downside and broke below it. He goes well, and we are at last where I am right now is there. Intrigued SL taking notice of it, he will provide additional details tomorrow, but for now, here's what we know. Amazing Crypto is suddenly taking notice of XRP and acting accordingly. We are even if you want to add something, you can do so. We went beneath it and then surfaced again. However, he is interested in this. This is usually indicative that XRP is within this band. It's an area of interest where we are. It's interesting to me, and I think everyone should be interested in it because as you can see, XRP is falling behind, but it will catch up just like it did in 2017. In 2020, it was making progress toward catching up. It will catch up before the SEC files a lawsuit in 2021. Whether it's the last cryptocurrency to run will be revealed. Yes, it's possible, but that's okay. Allow every penny to enter the market. Once they start making money, let's see if a wave of that capital pours into XRP and pushes it to levels that people weren't anticipating. Dr. Fender says the RSI for the XRP Bitcoin pair in the weekly time frame remains where it did. According to RSI, the 2024 run is here, before the XRP boron in 2017 and 2012. You can see that we both glance at the same chart. The purple RSA at the bottom. Turn my mouse around and let's go back to 2017. Let's go back what transpired in 2020 and 2021 when XRP took them out or reached what is known as the RSI decline. We went completely berserk in the oversold area. Now that we are touching it, so what? Does it mean that indicates that XRP will soon make a significant move? Let's now discuss the narrative that is now being told, and all I see are individuals responding to my Twitter thread. And would like to direct message me, XRP is awful. XRP is a worthless cryptocurrency. XRP will never be valued at $1. Never again will you see an all-time high. You already know the same old tales from the same old maxis, so it's not even a cryptocurrency. Here's what I have to say about that. When Bitcoin originally launched, the same folks said that it would never amount to anything. The same people who predicted that Bitcoin would never reach $100, $1,000, or $10,000 are now projecting their negative net attitudes onto the XRP community, which we have gone through hell and back and do not deserve. This is the story. It's outdated and absurd if you believe that XRP has been in the top 10 cryptocurrencies for more than 10 years, and it will never change. I regret to inform you that the closer we get to $1, the more likely it is to erupt and break its previous all-time high of $2.80. I say this again and again at this point to make sure you really get it. People who claim that a double-digit XRP is unattainable are more likely to be proven wrong the closer we get to $1 at this juncture in the currency's history. for XRP to reach $20 since XRP would have half the market capitalization and there are only 2 trillion in cryptocurrencies. That's not how. If this is successful, a significant amount of fresh capital will enter the Bitcoin market when its valuation approaches $4 to $7 trillion in the future. When the cryptocurrency markets reach a valuation of over $1 quadrillion sometime this decade, where does that leave XRP? Can it really have $1 trillion out of a $10 trillion market capitalization? Of course, it could be if you're a skeptic and think that the financial system already has enough technology or that what Ripple is doing is sufficient. Well, congrats, I say. I'm hoping you were able to purchase a company that is utilizing the technology and has either a Ripple partner or a war chest. As far as I'm concerned, the majority of these new individuals and technologies are just money grabs. And neither the BIS nor the IMF will ever be in the same room with them. That's how easy it is. According to Brad Garlinghouse, they are still in communication with these influential organizations all around the world. I wish you luck because XRP is not going to hit $1 like many of the major central banks around the world. I'm going to be seeing you at a $10+ XRP, so I wish you the best.